Treetop is a grower-owned fruit cooperative with customers from around the globe who have come to rely on us as their fruit solutions provider. We like to think it's because our mission is to supply only the highest quality, safest, best-tasting, locally grown fruit around. With our strawberries, we harvest from prime growing regions in the western U.S., where the rich soil and ideal weather conditions produce berries with optimal flavor, color, and nutrient content. From seedling to red, ripe, juicy, and delicious fruit, Treetop strawberries are always nurtured and handled with your finished product in mind. During the entire growing process, we work closely with our farmers. Along the way, we monitor the fruit's maturity, testing berry nutrient levels to determine the best time to harvest. When the strawberries reach their peak ripeness, they're hand-picked, sorted, and transported to one of our local facilities. With our perfectly timed harvests and short transit distances, Treetop can capture and retain the sweet flavor and deep red appearance of the berries. That's why our fruit processing facilities are strategically located where the fruit is grown. As both an ingredient supplier and retail branded company, we understand our consumers' desire to know where their food comes from. So at each Treetop facility, as fruit arrives, its growing location is confirmed and meticulously recorded before the berries are cleaned and gently processed. This is just one of the many ways Treetop ensures complete transparency all the way back to the grower. Across our facilities, we produce a variety of strawberry ingredients, from sliced, diced, and cubed, frozen and dried, to purees, fruit preps, fruit powders, and juice concentrates, all for use in products from baked goods to beverages, ice cream, frozen desserts, ready-to-eat cereals, snack bars, and more. Treetop. More fruits, more forms, more possibilities. For additional details or to order samples of our strawberry and other fruit ingredients, please visit our site at treetopingredients.com.